Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Misola. Channel television reporter Joshua Rogers wey dem kidnap for Rivers State don regain im freedom. Na Thursday night around 9pm we hear say dem trail am reach im house before the gunmen use gun carry am inside im own car. We hear say the kidnapper call im wife dey demand for 30 million naira as ransom, but nobody know if dem eventually pay the ransom before Rogers regain im freedom. Further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. 30-year-old Okada man wey dey do bricklayer work, Toyin Ezekiah, don graduate as overall best student from the Department of Animal Breeding and Genetics, Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, Ogun State. Na inside interview with reporter, Ezekiah explain how e take waka before e reach that level wey make am become graduate with best results. Ezekiah say everybody know am as bricklayer and Okada man because na the job wey im dey take support im school be that. E say im plan na to become graduate because of im background, as e be say im no come from rich family, but be first graduate no dey im dream at all. Na after im first semester exam e get GPA 3.8. By third year e achieve GPA 5.0. Na there e come know say e must become first class graduate. Dis full tori dey inside Saturday Punch. The kasala wey dey happen over the selection of new Olubadan of Ibadan land don dey come down as kingmakers yesterday nominate the current Balogun for Ibadan land, Oba Owolabi Akinloye Olakunleyin, as the 43 Olubadan of Ibadan land. The kingmakers wey dem also be from Olubadan in council finalize the nomination inside the meeting wey dem do yesterday for ancient Mapo Hall. The meeting start for 11am till 12pm. Na since the 42nd Olubadan Oba Olalekan Balogun join im ancestors, the stool become vacant early last month. Na all the council of Obas show face for the meeting where dem finalize the nomination of Olakunleyin. Dis full tori dey inside ThisDay newspaper wey come out today. One group wey call themselves Goldman Sachs Group don talk am yesterday say naira money don take two leg tanda as e don become the top performing currency for the whole world since dis April. For inside the month of April alone, naira get 12% power take pass dollar. Goldman Sachs na economist wey don predict am for February say naira go get power enter 1,200 naira per dollar for dis year 2024. For inside interview wey dem do for Andrew Matney, economist wey dey with Goldman Sachs, na there im talk say naira go continue to dey get power even reach 1,000 naira and below. Dis full tori dey inside ThisDay newspaper wey show face today. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.